Very warm welcome to one and all. I am B. Sindhuja, Assistant Professor of Mathematics CA. Now I am going to explain um, ordinary differential equation. Basically, differential equations is classified as two types. One is ODE and another one is PDE. ODE is called as ordinary differential equation and PDE is called as partial differential equation. Now we are going to see ordinary differential equation. Introduction, motivation and early developments. Just we look at some real life situations where the motion of projectile, rocket, satellite and planets, the surge or current in the electric circuit, the conduction of heat on rod or in the slab, the vibrations of a wire or membrane, etc., are to be determined. The mathematical formations of such problems emerge as differential equations under certain specific scientific laws. These laws involve various rates of change or derivatives of one or more quantities with respect to other quantities. Thus, the scientific laws manifest as mathematical equations involving derivative-wise differential equations. Differential equations emanate from the problems in geometry, mechanics, physics, chemistry, and engineering studies. We have studied about rates in our early classes. This is also known as instantaneous rate of change, which is denoted as dy by dx. We give below some relations between the rate of change and unknown functions that occur in real life situations. A. The rate of change of y with respect to x is directly proportional to y. dy by dx equal to ky. Here k is a constant. The rate of change of y with respect to x is directly proportional to the product of y 2 and x. dy by dx equal to ky squared x. Definition: a differential equation is any equation which contains at least one derivative of an unknown function, either ordinary derivative or partial derivative. For instance, let y equal to f of x, where y is a dependent variable, f is an unknown function, and x is an independent variable. Example, the equation dy by dx equal to 0 is a differential equation. The equation dy by dx equal to sin x is a differential equation. The equation d squared y by dx squared plus dy by dx plus y equal to sin x. Order of a differential equation. The order of the differential equation is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Thus, if the highest order derivative of the unknown function y in the equation in kth derivative, then the order of the differential equation is k. Clearly, k must be a positive integer. Example, d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 by 3 minus 3 into d square y by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus 4 equal to 0 is a differential equation of order 3. Degree of a differential equation. If a differential equation is expressible in a polynomial form, then the integral power of the highest order derivative appears is called the degree of the differential equation. In other words, the degree of the differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation. Example, 3 into dy by dx whole cube minus d square y by dx squared equal to sin x squared. The degree of the differential equation is 1. Solution of ordinary differential equations. A solution of the differential equation is an expression for the dependent variable in terms of the independent variables which satisfy the differential equation. General solution. The solution which contains as many arbitrary constants as the order of the differential equation is called the general solution. The general solution includes all possible solutions and typically includes arbitrary constants. Particular solution. Generally, we noted particular solution is PI. if we have particular values to the arbitrary constants in the general solution of the differential equation, the resulting solution is called a particular solution. Applications. The differential equation have wide application in various engineering and science disciplines. In general, modeling of the variation of the physical quantity such as temperature, pressure, displacement, velocity, stress, strain, current, voltage or concentration of the pollutant with the change of time or location or both would result in differential equations. Similarly, studying the variation of some physical quantities on other physical quantities would also lead to differential equations. In fact, many engineering subjects such as mechanical vibration or structural dynamics, heat transfer, or theory of electrical circuits are founded on the theory of differential equations. It is practically important for engineers to be able to model physical problems using mathematical equations and then solve these equations so that the behavior of the systems concerned can be studied. Problems. Determine the order and degree if exist of the following differential equations. We are going to see four types of problems. First one is dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 5. Second one d power 4 y by dx power 4 whole power 3 plus 4 into dy by dx whole power 7 plus 6y equal to 5 cos 3x. Third one d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to x square log d square y by dx square. Fourth one 3 into d square y by dx square equal to 4 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Solution. First we can see dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 5. In this equation the highest order derivative is dy by dx whose power is 1. Therefore the given differential equation of order 1 and degree 1. Second problem we can see d power 4 y by dx power 4 whole power 3 plus 4 into dy by dx whole power 7 plus 6y equal to 5 cos 3x. Here the highest order derivative is d power 4 by dx power 4 whose power is 3. Therefore the given differential equation of order 4 and degree 3. Third we can see d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to x square log of d square y by dx square. In the given differential equation the highest order derivative is d square y by dx square whose power is 1. Therefore the given differential equation of order 2. The given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in its derivatives and so its degree is not defined. The given differential equation we can consider the fourth one 3 into d square y by dx square equal to 4 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. The given differential equation is 3 into d square y by dx square equal to 4 plus dy by dx whole to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2. Squaring both sides we can get right hand side left hand side is 9 into d square y by dx square whole to the power of 2 equal to 4 plus dy by dx whole square. Here the 2 and square root is cancelled, so we get 4 plus dy by dx the whole square whole to the power of 3. In this equation the highest order derivative is d square y by dx squared whose power is 2. Therefore the given differential equation is of order 2 and degree 2. So we can see the normal problems of ODE and how can we can find out the find out the order and degree of the differential equations.